Hello, class. Problems 11 through 13 deals with the continuous compounding formula, right? Notice the word continuous is used here. As soon as you see the word continuous, you know you're going to use the continuous compounded interest formula, and that's got the letter E in it. If I say just regular compound interest, it doesn't say the word continuous, you would use one of these two formulas, right? Compound interest formula. But as soon as you see the word continuously, you got to jump down here. So let me get my whiteboard and we'll work out some of these problems. So for this problem, we're going to use A equals PE to the RT. And I like to put the RT in parentheses. Sometimes without the parentheses, depending upon your calculator, you might receive an error. So A, the amount in the future that I will have, is equal to the present value, which is 2,000, times E, which is on your calculator, I'll show you where that is, raised to the RT. So I change the interest rate to a decimal by moving the decimal two places to the left, right? Once, twice, so 0.0596, and that's going to be times T. So I'll just use this asterisk as to indicate multiplication, and T is 7 years. So let's enter this into our calculator. I'm going to enter 2,000. Now, if you notice, above my division key, I have the letter E here. So if I press second in the division, E is just a number, kind of like pi. You know what? Before I even finish the problem, right? So everyone's familiar with pi, right? Pi is 3.14. So pi is equal to a number. The letter E is also equal to a number, 2.718. Okay, so you can interchange 3.14 in pi and 2.718 with E. So back to our problem. They were given P is 2,000 times E raised to, and in parentheses, I'm going to put RT, 0.0596. Oops, I think I typed that in wrong. 0.0596 times 7. Right? The interest was 0.0596, 7 years, 2,000 is my P, I press enter. And that makes sense. I put in 2,000, I take out 3,035. So it looks like there's about 1,035 in interest. Round to two decimal places, so that's going to be 30, 35, 41. Right, $3,035.41. Check answer. Boom. Fantastic. So problem 12 and 13 are very similar. Right? We're still going to use the continuous compound interest formula. Same with number 13. You just solve for different letters, right? One they solve for A, another they solve for P, another they solve for T, and so on. Let's take a look at number 14. So 14, they're telling us that R is 7.8 compounded quarterly. So when you look at the compound interest formulas, look at these two equations. They're basically the same. But what they're telling you here is the letter M as in Michael times T is the same as N. And R divided by M is the same as I. So in this problem, they're looking for I, and they give us R and they give us M, right? So if I take out my calculator, right, we know I equals R over M. So R in this case is 7.8, and my M is 4, because there's 4 quarters in a year. If I said compounded monthly, well, there's 12 months in a year, so I divide by 12. If I said compounded daily, there's 360 business days in a year, so I would divide by 360. But this says quarterly, there's 4 quarters in a year. I press enter, I get 1.95. 1.95, and there's the good job. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.